Thousands of Scots have climbed the stairs of Wallace Hall. Thousands of Scots have participated in the walkout, cheered at the turkey bowl, and celebrated commencement right here. But it is more than these traditions that bind our hearts together.
At the heart of every Scot there lies a passion to learn, to grow, to serve, to nurture.
A drive to sail uncharted waters, to try the unthinkable and succeed.
At the heart of every fighting Scot, there's unprecedented perseverance.
Where there was once untapped creativity, there is now drive to be bold.
At the heart of every Scot, there's individuality.
And collective similarity.
At the heart of every Scot, there's pride in tradition.
Loyalty to white and crimson.
And a love for Wallace Hall.
At the heart of every Scot is a sense of belonging, of home. Because whenever you hear the bagpipes or see someone wearing tartan, you'll always think of Monmouth College.
You'll remember that big win over Knox. You'll remember Gracie Peterson, Bobby Wool, Doc Keefe, or Stacy Lotes.
You'll remember that your course in life was set right here.
So on Scots Day, we're reminded of our passions that set us on our own journeys, of the 1,000 hearts that came before ours to make this place possible.
On Scots Day, our hearts beat as one. For tradition, for our home away from home, for all things that make Monmouth, Monmouth.
On Scots Day, we celebrate 1,000 Hearts devotion to the school we love so well.
On Scots Day, we build the future for the thousands of Scots yet to come.